Hey everybody, this is a quick video on how to reset an NEC LT240. This guy. So the first thing we do is press menu, then scroll all the way down to the last option. If it's not in the language of your choice, just go down to the very last item, then press one to the right on your arrow keys, press the plus button, then again go all the way down to factory default and press enter. Now no matter what you see up here, you're going to click the arrow one over, make sure that dot is selected, then down, hit enter to put a check whatever is there. One more down to OK, press enter again. That'll factory reset everything. Then what we'll do is I will actually put it in a different language. Let's go with one I don't know. Let's go with Chinese here. That'll work. Alright, so let's get out of everything. Menu. Oh. Why is it still in English? Oh, English, Chinese. Oh, then okay. There we go. Okay, so the menu's in Chinese, as you can see here. So I'm clicking the down arrow all the way down to the bottom. Then I press enter, and then again all the way down to the bottom, press enter. One click to the left, make sure that box is checked. Click down once, press enter, make sure that box is checked. Down one more time and press enter. That should do a full factory reset, and I believe that should put the information back into English. No, it did not. Wow. Okay. Okay, well in that case, let's try this. I thought that would do it, it didn't. Alright, so we hit menu, and we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 down, enter. Oops. 1 down, 1 right, go back to English, press enter, but then to save it, we have to go to OK. So remember, it's menu, 1, 2, 3, 4 clicks down, 1 click to the right, 1 click down, 1 click to the right, and then you have your language area. Select the language that you want and go down till you get to OK and click on OK. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can set it back. So I showed how to do a factory reset, which I thought would do the language, but it didn't. And then we actually went and did the language, and I'll just do the language one more time. Let's change it to Chinese again. Alright, everything is in Chinese. So menu, 1, 2, 3, 4th item down, right, down, right, select English, and go down to OK. And that's it. So that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, put it in the comments, and as always, thank you for watching.